So hello everybody. So I actually just finished filming this makeup look using the Vegan Cat makeup subscription box. So if you want to see what's inside this box and how I create this look using all the products that's inside the box, I'm gonna make sure to link that video down below. But in this video, I also want to unbox with you guys the beauty box from the same company, Vegan Cats. The Vegan Cat makeup bags actually comes quarterly, like what I talk about on that video. But the beauty box comes every month. And this is how it looks like. So Vegan Cat's beauty bags is the easiest way to discover cruelty-free beauty products without breaking your budget. Each month you'll receive a delivery of 5 or more new products to try, ranging from unique cosmetics to luxurious skincare. So for as low as $18.50 per month. A brief description about the box. It's free shipping in the USA, 100% cruelty-free, 5 or more products. Typically, boxes contain retail value of $40 to $60, sometimes even more. Mostly full-size product plus deluxe size samples. No single-use sample sachet, mostly organic and natural, no paraben-free, and you can cancel anytime. So I actually received 2 products. So I received the December beauty box, and then I also received the January box. So I actually tried some of the products in the December beauty box already, and I really enjoy them. So let's go ahead and show you guys what's inside. So this is the December box, and this is how it looks like. So it comes with the information card with all the products here. The theme of the December box is Bold Beauty, bring in the new year with this picks. So the first product that I want to show you guys is this Papaya Enzyme Soft and Silky Mad Mask from Herbal Transdermal. And I actually tried this already, and it's a skin enhancing mad mask loaded with minerals and papaya enzyme, and this one has a value of $16. Then the next products in the box is this Estate Wet Matte Liquid Lipstick, and it's in the shade Shade. Okay, let's open this. And this is how it looks like. Really pretty pink. And this is from Estate Cosmetic, and Daring Long-Lasting Liquid Lipstick that will take your pout to the next level, and there's a value of $15. So let's quickly swatch it for you guys. So this is how the swatch looks like. So the next product in the box is this Evolve Mint Chocolate Lip Butter. And it says it's made with 6 of the most pure and nutritional ingredients on the planet. This is handmade, 6 ingredient intense lip moisturizer and sun protection. This is a $5 value. Okay, the next product is this Timeless Organic Skincare Timeless Eye Serum. And this is natural eye serum that combats puffiness and dark circle with a value of $30. The next one, which is the last products in this box, is this Coils by Nature Moisturizing Shiloah Leave-In Conditioner with Argan Oil. And this is Creamy Herbal Infused Leave-In Conditioner that smooths the smooth the cuticle and removes knots and tangles. So yeah, I guess this is for your hair. So this is all the product that comes in the December beauty box. Now let's go open the one from January. So now let's go on show you guys the month of January. So this is how it looks like. And this is the card. So the theme of this month is All Day Beauty. Feel great from feel great from sun up to sundown. So in this January month, there's actually 6 products here. The first product that I see here is this Mint Pear Rose Hip Night Serum. All natural and pure and organic. And let's see this. It's a Rose Hip Night Serum that will help you wake up to fresher, brighter, smoother complexion. And this is how it looks like. And this has 12.50 value. Okay, next product is this Aromary shampoo bar with organic nip. This is how it looks like. And this is Ayurvedic shampoo bar with potent herbal extract to naturally cleanse, nourish, and rejuvenate your hair and scalp. And this is $1 value. I think this is their deluxe sample. I heard that shampoo bar is going to be on trend this year, so I'm really excited to try this out. Okay, so the next one is this Glow Illuminator Manina Beauty Simplified. This is how it looks like. Mana Color Cosmetic iridescent highlighter that can be used on the face and body to create a beautiful glow. This has a value of $29. Let's actually try it out. Ooh. So let's just get a little bit. And let's see. So it's actually really pretty. You guys see that? Ooh. The next products in here. And another good thing about the Vegan Cat subscription, they actually package the products really well. So far I don't have any issues. Like this one, the bottle one, they put it on the bubble wrap, and the oil they put it on the Ziploc like this, so it doesn't like pour or spread on the other products. So this product is this Heritage 1933 OMG Seal and Moisturizing Oil, and it's a multi-functional oil that can be used on your face, body, and hair, and has a value of $14. Ooh, I like oil. I like anything oil. I like putting oil in my face and in my hair. You can really smell anything, but I'm excited to try that. And then the next product is this Oral Essential The Better Brand Whitening Strips, 30 minutes to whiter teeth without sensitivity. Dead sea salt based whitening strips with coconut oil. This is how it looks like. So Oral Essential Gel strips that whiten upper and lower teeth in just 30 minutes, and this has a value of $2.85. Okay, the last products in here is this Andalo Natural Non-GMO 1000 Roses Eye Revive Contour Gel with rose stem cells soothing resilience. So let's open this. Is it weird that I always like to open any packaging at the bottom? I find it easier than opening it on top. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So you can use it in the morning and in the evening. And this is Andolo Naturals Petal Soft Soothing Contour Gel with Alpine Rose Stem Cell that gently hydrates and uplifts. And this has a $19.95 value. So this is a contour gel for your eyes. Yeah, so you can put it under your eyes and all that. So that's all the products that I got from Vegan Cat's Beauty Bags monthly subscription for the month of December and January. So once again, thank you so much, Vegan Cats, for sending me these boxes for me to review and test out and share with my audience. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I've been really enjoying subscription boxes for a while now. I always get products that I wouldn't see on my local beauty store or Shopper Drug Mart. So that's why I really like receiving a subscription box to learn more about any other products out there. So I really enjoyed this, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And thank you guys once again. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And thank you guys so much. We'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.